morning everybody. My name is Hansa Kapoor from Digital Marketing Cell of Ibs Gurgaon. Today we are at day 5 of our global immersion trip, which is a study trip organized by our college. A lot of students have been fully relishing their moments. The visit that has been organized is actually divided into 3 parts. First, we were shown a movie on how Skoda has evolved. Second, the museum, all the cars, all the types Skoda has ever invented. Third is the prototype.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want
I am from Digital Marketing Cell, Ibs Gurgaon. So I will be covering the museum section of our Skoda study trip. We were told that Skoda was started by 2 people, Vaclav Klement and Vaclav Havel. They began production with bicycle in 4 variants. One bicycle had no engine, second had 1, third had 2, and fourth had 4 engine. Then they came up with tricycles, and then they came up with 4-wheelers which bureaucrats used. And then they showed us a future car or concept car which is never introduced, but I think they will use in future. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I will be explaining the video part of Skoda shoot. 1894, from a simple chain repair to a company, we saw the entire journey of Skoda, its achievement and struggles. In 1900 beginning, they built motorcycle and then slowly shifted to the world of motor cars. We can divide the entire journey into 3 main phases: pre-World War II, post-World War II, and after the merger of Volkswagen in 1991.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Semwal from Digital Marketing Cell, Ibs Gurgaon. Now I will be telling about the new concept cars of the Skodas. There are 2 concept cars that has been introduced in the plant, that is Concept C and Concept D. And these concept cars which will be the future of the Skoda Laura and Skoda Superbs.